Okay, class. Today we're going to start the new topic, which is 507. Okay, who still remember the topic 506 that we have learned? Is about what? 506. Hello. What we have learned from the previous class?
Shapes and angles.
Hmm? Again?
Shapes.
Very good. We have learned, no, the topic we call it as a four-sided figures. Remember, we have learned about the square and rectangle is normal shapes that we have learned, but we have learned the trapezoid, trapezium, parallelogram, what is rhombus and everything, and then how to find the unknown angles of the shapes. It's very important for your exam, but don't worry, before the exam, I don't know when is the exam, but before exam teacher will prepare the revision worksheets and notes in your Edmodo lah, because no choice already. Okay, so do you all still remember that last time after our first term examination, teacher have started the topic ratio, correct? But I haven't finished that topic. I only started one or two topics from that ratio topics, one or two subtopics from the ratio topics. But I had to stop last time because our syllabus for EduSeeds grade 5 is updated. So I had to stop last time. So I have started from 505, which is yes, decimals and average, correct? Decimals and average. So now we have completed 505, and then 506 also is about the four-sided figures and then identifying the unknown angles. Now our 507 topic is ratios together with what we call that, percentage. Yes, so 507, now we're going to learn about the ratio and also percentage. I'm going to touch the topic ratio also, even though we have learned one or two subtopics last time, but I still need to cover again. I don't think so you all still remember what we have learned, correct? Because in this topic ratio, we still need to continue with word problem on ratio. Is very hard, the word problems on ratio, and also percentage also very hard to do. So I have to start from the beginning, the ratio topic, which is we have learned last time. So maybe for the next class we can go for the next topic, which is more harder, the ratio word problem. Okay, can you see my screen or not? Even though you have seen this before, can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the topic that I have told earlier that we already covered this topic. Remember, but is, I think, is on April, beginning of the April, after your mid first term examination, but I had to stop this one. So I'm going to cover again this lesson 1.1, and then we will continue with 3 more lessons, which is quite deeper for this topic. Ratio, we have ratio word problems, we have percentage, and then we have percentage word problem. Okay, so this one, who still remember how to find the ratio of two quantities? This one, for this slide, yes, I already introduced how to write the concept of ratio of two quantities. Okay, let's say we have 3 apples and then 1 orange. We have to compare the number of apples to the number of oranges, correct? Usually, how to write the ratio of the number of apples to the number of oranges. How to write, class? Hello, all forgot already. How to write?
3 to 1.
3 to 1. Very good. 3 ratio 1 is the ratio form. Word form is you can write 3 to TO1. 3 to 1. In fraction form, there are 3 ways you can write. Maybe some of your worksheets will be asked 3 ways of ratios. This is the ratio way. Can you see 3 ratio, the 2 dots there, and then 1. The word is 3 to 1. 3 TO1. And then the fraction form is 3 over 3 over the fraction form. Do you remember? 3 over what? Class. Nobody responding. It's like I'm talking to my screen. Who can tell to teacher how to write the ratio in fraction form? If let's say in ratio form is 3 to 1, and then how to write in fraction form? 3 over, very simple. Hello, class. Am I talking to my screen? Can you hear me or not? 3 over what? If 3 to 1, how to write in ratio? Sorry, in fraction form. 3 over 1. Yes, very good. 3 over 1. Okay, so don't think it's very easy to do the ratio. This is only the introduction part, finding the ratio of two quantities. Yes, it's very easy, but after that 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 is more deeper for the ratio topic. But this is the basic I need to recall again. Okay, let's say the ratio of the number of apples to the number of oranges is 3 to 1. Okay, teacher say you can read the ratio 3 ratio 1 as 3 to 1. 3 to 1, this form is the word form. This one is the ratio form. If the fraction form, if the question asked to write in fraction form means automatically you should know 3 over 1. Okay, so here we can also compare the number of oranges to the number of apples. Okay, let's say if the question asked for the ratio of number of oranges to the number of apples means you have to start from the oranges, the number of the oranges. How many? 1. To the number of apples means 3. So 1, 2, 3. Make sure the fruits that they have mentioned earlier is the first ratio you need to write. Let's say they have started from the number of oranges means you need to count how many oranges we have. So 1. 2. 2 is very important word in ratio. 2 mean teacher said in ratio form you can change it into the 2 dots here. Number of apples. How many number of apples? 1, 2 and 3. So 1 to 3 is the ratio of oranges to apples. Okay, let's say we have 4 cherries and 2 pears, also fruits. So let's say if you want to find the ratio of the number of cherries to the number of pears, what is the ratio of number of cherries to the number of pears, class?
4 to 3.
4 to 3. If the question asks the ratio to find the ratio of number of pears to the number of cherry means
3 to 4.
3 to 4. Very good. If the question asks what is the ratio of number of cherry to the total number of fruits? Class, what is the ratio of number of cherries to the total number of fruits?
4 to 7.
Again,
4 to 7.
very good. 4 is the ratio for number of cherries, correct? To the total number of fruits means you have to count all together. So 7, 4 to 7, very good. What is the ratio of number of pears to the total number of fruits? What is the ratio of the number of pears to the total number of fruits?
3 to 7.
3 to 7, very good. Okay, this one, it's depend how many units they have categorized. Okay, let's say from this example, this one is for example. In this example, let's say 1 unit is equals to 2 balls. So they have categorized that 2 balls is equals to 1 unit. Okay, so another 2 more balls is another 1 more unit. Correct? Correct or not? So the basketballs, the number of units for basketballs is how many units for basketball? Basketball is the orange color one. The yellow one is the volleyballs. Understand or not? So don't get confused with the balls. Huh? The orange color is we call basketballs. Okay, class. The basketballs, we have 4 balls. Teacher said 1 unit is equals to 2 balls. And then here 1 more unit is 2 more balls. So total how many units for basketballs? Class?
Yes, teacher.
2 units.
I am waiting for the response of other students also. So I want to know how many units we have for the basketballs.
2 units.
Again?
2 units.
Yes, very good. 2 units for basketballs. And then same goes to the volleyballs. 2 balls is equals to 1 unit. Another 2 balls is equals to 1 unit. And then 2 more balls is equals to 1 unit. So how many units we have for the volleyballs? Class? How many units we have for the volleyballs?
3 units.
3.
3 units, very good. Now, since the question is about the units, if you want to find the ratio of these 2 balls, you also have to count the unit number. Okay, let's say the ratio of the number of basketballs to the number of volleyballs. How many ratios? How many ratios? Sorry, what is the ratio? The number of basketballs to the number of volleyballs. What
2
is
to
the
3.
ratio? 2 to 3. Very good. And then how to find the ratio of the number of volleyballs to the number of basketballs?
3 to 2.
3 to 2.
Okay. The ratio of the number of basketballs to the total number of balls. Class, please try to understand the question. What is the ratio of the number of basketballs to the total number of balls? Still in units, don't have to count it separately. What is the ratio? Hello everyone. 2:5. Very good, Herman. So, what is the ratio of number of volleyballs to the number of total balls? Hello class. The ratio of the number of volleyballs to the number of total balls. Very simple. Who can tell the teacher?
3 to 4.
3 to
4.
wrong. Wrong. Why 4? Wrong.
3 to 10.
Hello. Did I ask you all to count one by one? Teacher said count in unit. 2 balls, 1 unit.
3 to 2.
Wrong. The ratio of the number of volleyballs. Yes, 3 to
5. Why cannot eat?
very good. 3 to 5. Understand or not? Okay, so the next one, the last one. Jessica has 2 boxes of green peppers and 3 boxes of broccolis. So, for here, teacher already put in the box, which means 1 unit is equals to 6, and then 1 more unit is equals to 6 green peppers. 1 unit is equals to 1 box is 1 unit is equals to broccolis. 1 more 6 numbers of broccolis is 1 more box, and then 1 more box also 6 broccolis. Okay, so the ratio of the number of green peppers to the number of broccolis is how many? 2 to class. I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to you all. Please respond.
2 to 3.
I only can hear the answer from Adish, Herman, Luisa. Then how about the rest? Uneven is okay, I understand. How about the rest? I'm really going to call teacher Jasmine now, if you're not responding to my class. Because I'm not talking to myself or talking to my laptop screen. I'm talking to you all. Fiona, what is the ratio of number? Okay, after this I won't, I'm going to call one by one to respond to me. Fiona, what is the ratio of number of green peppers to the number of broccolis?
6.
No. Ratio of the number of green peppers to the number of broccolis.
3.
Fiona, answer should be in ratio.
Huh?
Yes, what is the ratio of the number of green peppers to the number of broccolis?
Teacher, I said 3.
Wrong, Fiona. That's why I'm asking you the correct answer. Ratio. The answer should be in ratio. Ratio of the number of green peppers to the number of broccoli.
2.6. 3.6.
No. Okay, let's say for green peppers, we have 2 boxes. 1 box is equals to 6 green peppers. 1 more box is 6 green peppers. And same goes to broccoli. So we have 2 boxes of green pepper and then 3 boxes of broccolis. So the ratio should be 2 to 3. Understand or not?
Understand.
Okay. Okay, so how to find the ratio of number of broccoli to the number of green peppers, Fiona? Now, for the ratio of the number of broccoli to the number of green peppers, how to find?
S- 3.2.
3 to 2. Okay, very good. So since, okay, good Fiona, thank you. So I'm after this, I'm no more, teacher won't say any volunteer to talk. I will be calling the name of the student so that I can know that you are really can understand or not. Okay, now, Jingzer, what is the ratio of number of broccoli to the total? Please count the boxes, huh? Not the quantities. What is the ratio of the number of broccolis to the number of total boxes lah? Okay.
3.2.
Huh? Hello.
No, the
Number of broccoli to the number of total. First thing is about broccoli. So you have to count how many boxes for broccoli. And then 3 to
3 to 2.
why 2? Did I ask about the green pepper? No, I'm asking about the total box. How many?
3. 3 teacher.
Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the ratio of number of broccolis to the number of total box?
3 to 5.
Yes, 3 to 5. Okay. So, who else? Ashriel, what is the ratio of the number of green peppers to the total number of box?
That's
What is the ratio of the number of green peppers to the total number of box?
Raja.
Faster lah.
1.
Not only for Ashriel, everybody, those who I'm calling the name. If you really focus from the first slide, you can answer all the questions. Whenever I call, you can immediately respond to me. If you all really focus lah.
230.
Huh? 230.
Oh wait,
Ratio. The ratio of the number of green peppers is obviously, you can see how many boxes, and then to the number of total boxes.
6, 18. Raja. 3 boxes. Broccolis. 3. Wait. So is it 3?
I want the answer in ratio.
2, 3, 0.
Huh? What? Ayo. Asher, why are you, why your answer is in decimal, may I know? I'm teaching the ratios. Your answer is in decimal for what? Who can tell to teacher what is the ratio of number of green peppers to the number of total boxes? If no any answer received,
Teacher,
I'm going to call
teacher,
one name. Yes.
teacher,
Yes.
2 to 5. Okay. You have to resubmit your time.
Very good. 2 to 5. That's why lah. So terrible lah, these grade 5 students. I'm telling you, I'm going to tell teacher Geeta. Your first term examination, have you thank you Adish for your answer, but the answer also correct. The rest, some of you have responded to me. The rest, I don't know what to tell. Do you still remember or not? Your first term examination, the marks all very bad. I have to do the add on 30 marks. Remember? If no, nobody can score 70 above, because of the question that I have add on. Remember the 30 marks, most of you scored 100 marks, and then most of you scored 90 marks, and then some of you scored 80 plus. Good. Because of what? Because of the question that I have added on. If I didn't add that questions, your marks all are very terrible. I don't know what's wrong. Grade 4 students can do more better than you all. They can respond very well in the class. I only can hear from some of you only. Adishwara, uneven because her problem is different. And then Chayangi was okay. I don't know what happened to him today. Herman, Josephine also was okay. I don't know what happened to her today. No any response from her. How about the rest? Don't expect me to call the name so many times. Once the class starts, all your focus on the slides. So if I ask the questions, you all can answer. Be alert lah. Understand or not, grade 5? I know you all at home.
Yes,
Teacher also in home because no more school. We all can't go back to our school, but I know it's your comfort zone, but try to come out from your comfort zone. Even though you are in your house, but still can focus. What still we are learning, still teacher uploading everything, still teacher is teaching. You are the same students and I'm the same teacher. So what? So what's the problem? What is the problem? Give me one reason why nobody want to focus. No lah, I'm not telling everybody. Give me just one reason. Just one reason. Just give me one reason why nobody want to open the mouth and talk. Very hard to open your mouth and respond. Your answers, if your answers are wrong, I won't scold. If your answers are wrong, I won't scold. I want you all to open your mouth and talk. Open your mouth and talk. Respond. Sometimes when I was talking, when I was teaching just now, no any response from you all. It's like I feel like, oh, the call was ended or what. Sometimes I feel like, okay, nobody can hear my voice, maybe. So that's why I have to close the slide and then I have to come back for the, I have to talk in the Skype again. I thought like maybe my line is problem. Nobody is responding. It's like I'm talking to myself or talking to the laptop screen. It's very hard. Can respond to me or not?
Yes,
Class.
teacher.
Only few of you responding to me. The rest all I don't know. You all won't get anything if you all just keep quiet. If you all talk and respond, then only you can get something from me. If you all just keep quiet, never open your mouth, it's like I feel teacher will think that you all can understand very well. Correct or not? If you all talk, if any wrong answers come out, then only I can think that okay, yes, you all still need more guidance, so I can work on worksheets again. If you all just keep quiet, then teacher will think that you all understand very very well. Correct or not? If you all don't want to turn the camera, it's up to you, but make sure your voice must come out. Some of you don't want to turn on the camera, it's okay. If you want to off the camera, it's up to you. Make sure your voice must come out. Understand or not?
Understand, yes.
See, only come out from one or two students. The yes teacher. How about the rest?
Yeah.
How about the rest?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Also from the same student. Chayangi, Adish, Josephine, Herman. Chayangi, Adish, Josephine, Herman, Louis. Okay, the slides done. Okay, I already uploaded the worksheets in Edmodo. Can you see the worksheet? There are 5 worksheets I have
Yeah.
uploaded. Okay, we try to discuss the worksheets as much as we can until the class end. Okay, these worksheets all are very easy, but because this is a basic worksheet. So can you see the worksheets in Edmodo or not? Because I already uploaded before the class start. Hope you all can view the worksheet. Please check and see. If cannot view me, let me know. But for now, I'm sharing my screen so can see the worksheet from here. Okay, number 1. Don't expect me to call the names. You all should know volunteer means all have to talk. So what is the ratio of tomato, right? Tomato to onion is what? Any volunteer can talk.
4.3.
Okay, very good. Jingzer.
Yes,
Jingzer.
teacher.
Next time don't tell point, not point. We call it as a ratio, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Jingzer, thank you. Okay, number 2. Any volunteer? What is the ratio of blue cups to yellow cups?
2 to 8.
Very good. What is the ratio of, what's that? Girls' shirt, right? To, sorry, the ratio of boys' shirt to the girls' shirt. Volunteer. Oi, check again. Ratio of boys first to girls.
4 to 5.
4 to 5. Very good. Okay, what is the ratio of, what's that? The play one, right? The okay, what is the ratio of yellow to black? Who can tell to teacher?
6 to 3.
Again, Luiso, cannot hear you.
6 to 3.
Very good.
6
6
to
to
3.
3. Okay, very good. Okay, number 5. What is the ratio of green to pink?
3 to 2.
3 to 2. Yes. So, you all know the answers ready, right? After the discussion. So, after the class, before the due date, I never asked you all to submit today. Teacher said before the due date, you all know already the answers. So just convert your answers to your worksheets and then pass up to me. Okay, done. Worksheet 1. Worksheet 2, also very easy. Any volunteer? The ratio of chairs to furniture. Class, the ratio of chairs to furniture. This one is the part to wall. Whole means all together.
3 to 2. Teacher, 3 to 2.
Wrong. Check again. 3 to 2 is a wrong answer.
3 to
2 to
5.
3.
Hello. 2 to 3 also wrong. 3 to 5. Very good. Teacher say the ratio of chairs. How many chairs altogether? 1, 2, 3. So 2 furniture mean, yes, furniture means all together lah. Desk also is a furniture. Chair also is a furniture. teacher. So 3 to 5. Very good. Okay, please understand the question first. Okay, any volunteer? The ratio of pumpkins to vegetables. Pumpkin to
Teacher.
vegetables. Yes.
2 to 7.
Very good. Vegetables is pumpkin also vegetables. Broccoli also is a vegetables. So 2 to 7. Very good. Ratio of animals to camels. 4 to 3. Very good. One more animal is what? It's a horse. So 4 to 3. Very good. What is the ratio of tools to knife?
5 to 4.
1 to 4.
5 to 4. This is a spanner, right? Spanner also is a tool. Knife also is a tool. So 5 to 4. What is the ratio of ladybugs to insects? Hello.
2 to 6.
2 to 6. Very good. So the four more is what? Cockroach, right? Yes. Also is an insect. Ladybugs also is a insect. So 2 to 6. Very good. Okay. This one. Teacher said this one, remember or not, you have to write the ratio in 3 different ways. If this kind of question is asked in your exam, please don't get confused how to write. Just now teacher said the word, the TO is a must. For an example, like just now 1 to 2, you have to write 1 TO space and 2. Ratio form is the dot dot. Remember the 2 dots. Fraction form, you should have the numerator and also the denominator. Okay, who wants to try question number 1? The ratio books to pens. Volunteer.
Teacher,
Yes.
the word 6 to 5. Word 6 to 5. Ratio 6 to 5. Fraction 6 over 5.
Yes, but please try to differentiate the words and ratio. Words 1, you have to write
TO.
TO. Yes, the ratio 1, even though we call it as 6 to 5, but the ratio form is the 2 dots. Remember? Okay, very good. Pumpkins to cabbage. Pumpkins to cabbage.
The word is 2
Volunteer.
to 2 to
Yes.
7.
2 to
Then the
louder lah.
7.
Very good. And then ratio form,
2 to 7.
fraction.
2 over 7.
Okay. Very good. Spiders to ladybugs. Volunteer. Hello. I just only scold you all, right? Faster. Volunteer. Wrong doesn't matter. Just try.
What is 5 to 4? 5 to 3.
Okay.
Ratio is 5 to 3.
Okay.
Fraction is 5 over 3.
Very good. Okay. Number 4. Apples to mangosteens. Words, ratio, fraction. Apples to mangosteens. Any volunteer?
What is 8 to 3?
Again.
What is 3 to
Oi, number 4.
3 to 4 to
Jinza, number 4. 4 to?
4 to 8.
Very good. Ratio,
4 to 8.
fraction.
408.
Very good. Okay. Number 5, the snow cones to chocolates. Snow cone, the pink color one, and then the chocolates. What is the ratio in word form? Who wants to try? Don't get confused with the chocolates. Which one is the chocolates?
Right.
Yes.
Words is
Yes.
6 to 2. 6 to
Hmm?
2, fraction
Hmm?
6 over 2.
Okay, 6 to 2, 6 to 2, 6 over 2. Very good. Okay, maybe the last worksheet. Ratios are pairs of numbers that are used to compare two quantities. So ratios can be written 3 ways, with the word 2 with the colon here, and then as a fraction. This one is the colon. So write each ratio 3 ways, like what teacher said just now. What is the ratio of, sorry, we have 2 questions only, but it's okay lah. I think we should have 3 worksheets. I will upload one more worksheet. This one should have 2 pages, but I only take 1 page. Okay, but it's okay. We just try for these 2 questions. What is the ratio of spoons to forks in 3 ways method? Spoons to forks. Hello.
Teacher, in word
Hmm?
is 7 to 4. Word is 7 to 4. Ratio 7 to 4. Fraction 7 to 4. 7 over 4.
Oi. Thank you. 7 over 4. And then question number 2. Read formula, anybody? Read for me and give me the answer. Any volunteer? Don't want the same person. Any volunteer? Class.
2 over 3. 3.
2 to 3, and then 2 colon 3, and then 2 over
3.
Okay, very good. Okay, this one I will upload one more page because you're supposed to have 2 pages. Okay, never mind. After the class end, I will upload again. So don't start the worksheet 4. In 2 minutes, I will upload, because this worksheet 4 you're supposed to have 2 pages. You may continue the worksheet 5 also. Worksheet 5, I think these worksheets I already gave in the class last time. But never mind, try to do again. So I think 3 worksheets we already discussed, right? Please write the correct answer lah. Even though we have discussed in the class, but still some of you, not all lah, few of you still writing the wrong answers. So try to watch the video again.